All right, what's up, guys? I am back with the Baltic Aquascaf, which I'm happy to report is back to keeping excellent time since I ran it through the degaussing apparatus that I purchased. So very happy about that. It's back to keeping excellent time again. So I did get a package the other day from merry old England. It's from Watch Strap Central, UK. I found them on Etsy. And I probably could have ordered from someone locally, but I was looking around and they had something that I really wanted to check out. They did send me a coupon for my next order, which is kind of cool. I won't share that coupon code with you. Get your own. But anyway, let's dig in here and show you what I got. This is my first attempt at customizing my watch. I got a, I guess what's known as a NATO, I hope I'm saying that right, a NATO strap. This is what they refer to as a Bond style strap because James Bond used one in one of the Bond films. So I was going to throw this on here real quick just for a change of pace and see how comfortable they are. The cool thing is, I don't know if you can see this, my watch has quick release spring bar was the word I was looking for. Mine is a terrible thing to waste. So as you can see, that comes off quite easily. I love when watchmakers do this. I think it's just a really user-friendly hack, and it makes customizing and changing straps so easy. So anyway, so I bought these. These are spring bars. They came with a tool. I'm gonna throw a couple of these in here. I think it's kind of cool that they included the tool with them. I don't know, I don't know that everybody does that. Okay, one spring bar in. And the other spring bar in. Okay, so I guess there's different ways to do this. I'm gonna do this, if I remember correctly, in the way that kind of puts most of the bulk on the bottom instead of the side, because I think I'll like that better. So if I recall correctly, that looks really nice, by the way. Look at that. So, okay, so that's kind of the traditional way of doing it, but it puts a lot of bulk over here on the side, and it also kind of makes the watch sit a little proud on the wrist. It's not terrible, but you can see it is elevated a little bit. The benefit of these kind of straps, for those of you who are not in the know, is, let's say you bang your watch into something and one of the spring bars comes loose. The watch won't fall to the ground because it'll still be held on by one of the spring bars over here. So it's kind of a safety feature. Something only somebody in the military or, that over-engineers things would maybe really think of. The average person doesn't think about, we don't live technically, so we don't think about building safeguards like that into everyday use items. So But I think I'm gonna leave this on for a little while. I like my bracelet. It's very classy. But I think this will be kind of cool, especially at work where it's gonna get banged into things and stuff like that. I think the blue and gray suit it perfectly because they tie in the colors of the dial and the brushed case in a nice way. You can get these, if you want to customize the look of your watch, you can get these NATO straps in like almost every color and color combination imaginable. Not really, but there's hundreds of styles and designs, and you can get them in any lug width. And as you can see, they're pretty easy to install if even an idiot like me can do it. So, yeah. So we'll throw that on once again. We got this little piece that usually goes underneath when you strap it on the traditional way. But if you don't want it to sit so proud on your wrist, you can run through there, run through here. Bada bing. Nice. Thanks for checking in, guys. Sorry about the bad lighting. I meant to get to this earlier in the day when I had a little more natural light, but hopefully this isn't too bad. Let's take a quick look at this tool while I'm thinking about it. These things are nice. You can buy these all over. This one's kind of small. A lot of times they're bigger. Probably a little easier to manage when they're bigger. But it's got this little, let's see if I can, as you can see, it's got that little two-pronged pry bar to get your spring bars out when you don't have drilled lugs on your watch, which my watch does have drilled lugs. So let's take a look at that real quick. When you do have drilled lugs, you use this other tool at the other end, which is just a straight tool. And you just put it in that drilled lug hole and you push the spring bar out. And it's easy peasy and you don't have to fumble around in here and worry about slipping and scratching your case or what have you. So, nice. It's kind of like that new watch feeling without buying a new watch. So get yourself a new strap today. Have some fun. You only live once. All right, guys. Dig you later. God bless you. Thanks for checking in.